Two air fryers, two very different designs, one clear winner for your kitchen. Today we're comparing the Ninja Crispi PowerPod and the Instant Pot 10-quart air fryer with even crisp technology. Both promise crispy results with little oil, but they're built for completely different types of users. Let's break down the real differences so you can choose the right one. Design and build. The Ninja Crispi PowerPod is a compact modular air frying system. It uses a handheld heating pod that attaches to non-toxic glass containers. You cook directly in glass, then snap on a lid to store leftovers in the same container. Everything nests together, making it easy to store in smaller kitchens. The Instant Pot 10-quart air fryer is a full-size countertop air fryer oven. It has a stainless steel body, a front opening door, and a large viewing window so you can monitor food without opening it. This unit is designed to stay on your counter and handle family-sized cooking. Cooking functions and performance. The Ninja Crispi PowerPod offers 4 core functions. It focuses on speed and efficiency, especially for small to medium meals. The heat is concentrated and fast, making it excellent for quick dinners and reheating leftovers back to a crispy texture. The Instant Pot 10 QT air fryer features 7 cooking functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and rotisserie. It uses even crisp technology to circulate hot air evenly, delivering up to 95% less oil compared to deep frying. With 1,500 watts of power, it's built for consistent cooking across larger portions. Capacity and meal size. This is where the biggest difference shows. The Ninja Crispi includes a 6-cup container for personal meals and a 4-quart container that can handle a small chicken with vegetables. It's ideal for individuals, couples, or quick meals without heating a large appliance. The Instant Pot 10-quart is designed for families. Its 10-quart capacity can handle up to 6 servings at once, whole rotisserie chickens, multiple trays of food, or full meal prep sessions. If you regularly cook for several people, this capacity matters. Usability and convenience. The Ninja Crispi shines in simplicity. There's minimal preheating, fewer parts to manage, and cleanup is easy because the glass containers, crisper plates, lids, and adapter are all dishwasher safe. The Instant Pot 10 QT offers more control and versatility. It includes customizable smart programs, a drip pan, perforated trays, and a full rotisserie kit with basket, spit, forks, and lift tool. Cleanup takes more time, but you're getting more cooking options. Safety and build quality. The Ninja Crispi's heat-safe feet protect countertops like granite, quartz, and marble, while its glass containers avoid coatings entirely. The Instant Pot 10 QT includes built-in safety features such as overheat protection and auto shutoff, and it's ETL certified for peace of mind during longer cooking sessions. Who each one is best for. The Ninja Crispi PowerPod is best for small households, minimalists, and anyone who values speed, easy storage, and non-toxic glass cooking. It's especially good for reheating leftovers, quick lunches, and simple dinners without clutter. The Instant Pot 10-quart air fryer is best for families, meal preppers, and home cooks who want one appliance that can air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and rotisserie larger meals. It's built for volume and versatility. Final verdict. These 2 air fryers aren't competitors, they're solutions for different needs. If you want fast, compact, glass-based cooking with minimal cleanup, the Ninja Crispi PowerPod is a smart choice. If you need family-sized capacity, a viewing window, and full oven-style versatility, the Instant Pot 10-quart air fryer delivers. The right pick depends on how much you cook, who you cook for, and how much space you have. I've linked both products in the description below so you can compare prices and features on Amazon. If this comparison helped, consider liking and subscribing for more honest kitchen product reviews.